Hey, how's it going, Joe? I just got off the phone with Jessica. My name's Devin, and I'm going to really quickly show you three things I found on your website you can fix so you can start bringing in more customers by beating Custom-Air Inc. These guys show up number one for AC Repair Sarasota, Florida, and it's really easy for you to be there. You're probably wondering why I'm making this video for you. It's super simple. A lot of business owners are so busy running their business, taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. The only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I give away these free attack plans, and a lot of people do this stuff themselves, but some call me back and have me do it for them. Whatever you want to do, this information is okay with me. I'm only here to educate you a little bit. I'm going to talk to you about three things today. Content, backlinks, and citations. And you have a beautiful looking website, by the way. It looks like it's professionally done. It's a very clean looking site. I love all the animations and the trust factors you got going on here. It's definitely a great site. What Google mostly cares about is this stuff right here, all this content that you can read, and they want to see a lot of it. So the average website on the front page of Google right now has about 2,000 words, and if I copy all of your content, I put it into a word counter, you have 645. Now if I go to your main competitor, Custom-Air Inc., and I take all of their content and put it into the word counter, these guys have 881. So it's one of the big reasons they're outranking you is because they have more content than you, but by getting yourself to that 2,000 word mark, you're going to blow them out of the water. Now, one last quick tip on that note. In that content, you want to put keywords, which is just a phrase that somebody commonly types into Google to find your business, such as like AC Repair Sarasota FL. So if I search your homepage for that, you can see that's not on your homepage whatsoever. So as you're writing that extra content, I would put that in there a couple times, and you can even save your images as that. If I can find an image. I can't even see it. Nope. All your images are behind. But yeah, you can, maybe this one. Yeah, this image could be saved as AC Repair Sarasota FL. It'll help you rank for that. So that's tip number one. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is super important. Google's kind of like a popularity contest, so they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies vouching for yours. Keep in mind though, they want to see relevant companies, so they're going to give you a lot more power if you have another air conditioning company linking to you instead of having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There's plenty of free tools out there. Just Google backlink checker, keyword planner. You can find all this information I'm showing you. It says you have 34 websites linking to you, while Custom-Air has 134 linking to them. It's about 130 more than you. Here's what I would say though. The easiest way to beat them is to copy them and just add those links on top of yours, so you'd be blowing them out of the water. If these links are good enough to rank them, then they're good enough to rank you too. So what you need to do is you go visit each one of these websites that are linking to them and put a link on each one of these websites back to your homepage. Typically, you just have to create a profile and put a link in the profile. Sometimes you may have to click the contact us button and email the owner, but whatever they had to do, you're going to have to do too. And just by following those two tips alone, that's how you become number one organically down here. You can see we got Yelp, Home Advisor, and the first company is Custom-Air. If you want to become number one in the ads, just need to bid higher than your competitors. If you want to become number one right here in the Google My Business section, this is really important. This is actually where the most traffic goes, the most calls go, and it's actually free to get here. All you need to do is have more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. I'd recommend you figured out what directories Mr. AC Cooling and Heating was in. I'd put myself in those exact same ones, but then I'd add a bunch more on top. So like if they were in 150, I'd be in like 300. And that's all I've got for you. I hope you found this informative and helpful, Joe. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. As a super quick recap, you're going to want to have at least 2,000 words of content on this homepage. You're going to want to also make sure that you put keywords inside of that content. You're going to want to make sure that you have more relevant websites linking to you than Custom-Air. So I would just copy the ones they have and get them linking back to your website. And then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Mr. AC Cooling and Heating. If you follow these three tips, this is how you become number one across the entire front page of Google. You may be asking, what do I do now? I recommend you get started on this as soon as possible, only because it does take time to implement all of this, and the sooner you get started, the sooner you start ranking and getting more phone calls. If you have any questions on anything I've showed you today, or if you're just too busy to do this, you want to continue running your business and you want someone else to do this for you, feel free to give me a call at any time. I put my phone number down here at the bottom right. I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have and guide you in the right way in any way I can. Thank you so much, Joe. I hope you had a great day, and I look forward to your feedback.